Hello everyone, I hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Carlos, and here is what will be on the lineup from November 17th to November 23rd. There will be co-ed swimming practice beginning at 4 p.m. on Monday and Tuesday, as well as on Wednesday and Friday beginning at 5 p.m. The first two will take place in our school building, but the rest will be at Far Rockaway Educational Campus. Meets will begin momentarily. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. There will be a girls volleyball game taking place in our school building at 10, so be sure to support our team. Cheer tryouts are also being held this Tuesday and Wednesday, both starting at 3:35 in the gym. Middle school soccer will be having an intramural game on Tuesday and Wednesday, both from 3 to 5. And now, make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com so you don't miss out on our opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I am Carlos, and I'll see you next time.